How to set a default gallery app in which your photos or videos will most likely be previewed in on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 or Note 14 phone with Hyper OS 2. With Hyper OS 2, go ahead and use the quick access like this here and tap on the settings toggle, this one here. Once you're in this section here now, go all the way down to where it says apps. So you're looking for this one right there. Tap on it. And once here, you'll tap on the three dots at the top right. Then you'll see this show up and you'll tap on other settings. Once you do this now, you'll see all these different options and one of them will say default apps, this one here. From here on now, you'll look for the one that says gallery. And if you have any newly installed apps from the Play Store that are compatible, they will appear here. And whichever one you decide to choose, that just basically means from now on, if you are going to have any photos taken or videos taken, it will all save into that particular gallery app as well as where you can preview them, like and sub.